Welcome! In front of me I have YAMAY SW022 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Once you open the quick panel, you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the light bulb. This is the brightness, screen brightness icon. To adjust the brightness, simply tap on this icon. You can toggle between 4 brightness levels. We have lowest one, medium, then the next one, and the maximum. So adjust the brightness to your liking, and once you're done, press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.